Donggongon is a town in Sabah, Malaysia known for its vibrant markets. There are many types of vegetable markets in Donggongon, offering a wide variety of fresh produce. Local farmers bring their produce to the markets daily, while vendors from other parts of the region also come to sell their wares. From traditional wet markets to modern supermarkets, Donggongon has something for everyone when it comes to vegetables and fruits. Whether you're looking for exotic fruits and vegetables or everyday staples, the many types of vegetable markets in Donggongon have you covered.